What's going on? Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech. I'm here at my hotel in New York City. It's called the Even Hotel, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of my room because it's kind of unique. It's got a little gym inside, which is different. So let's just check it out. There's a logo, and it's all brand new. This thing's only been around for like, oh, I hope my room still works. Come on. These things are so, there we go. This hotel's only been around for I think a year or two. It's actually owned by IHG, which is the company behind Holiday Inn. That's their biggest brand probably. But this is their new brand. So check out the room. It's kind of cool. I actually asked you guys on Twitter where I should stay in New York City, and I checked out all the hotels, and this was the one that finally won. So let me show you what's unique about this room. Number one, well, of course, the first thing I do whenever I get to any hotel room is check out the view, right? So it's got a cool view of New York City, which I love. It's a very new hotel room. I love new hotel rooms, but this is the pride and joy of the hotel room. Check it out. There is a workout center in the room. And if you guys follow me on Instagram at Rich on Tech, you already saw the video that I posted where I did a little workout in the room. And I'm not like a big gym guy or a big fitness guy, but it's kind of cool when you're traveling to get a little workout in, because most of the time you're eating really bad, you're working really hard, and the last thing you want to do is go to the gym. The fact that it's in your room staring at your face the entire time is kind of cool. So let me show you what you get. Number one, Clorox disinfecting wipes. So if you want to wipe down the stuff, you can. If you don't trust it, this is, I think, like some sort of yoga brick. And I'm not even going to say the name of that company that they're from because Gaiam, I guess, I don't know. This is really good. If you've never used one of these things, you should absolutely use it because it's a roller and it's for, kind of rolling out your muscles. It's really good for your skin and your, I don't know, it's just really good for you, I've heard, so I do that. And then you've got, of course, a yoga mat. Of course, the same company. There it is, Gaiam, so you got that. And when I first got the yoga mat, it was actually wrapped when I first arrived in like a little piece of paper that said it was sanitized and clean. So if you're worrying about cleanliness, number one, think about what happens in a real gym. 1,000 people use stuff, it doesn't get clean in between each thing. In the room, I think this stuff gets pretty clean. Of course, you get this ball. I don't know what you call this thing, but it's some sort of ball. It's got some sand in the bottom, so that's good. And this is the really cool part, this bar in your room. And this bar has some stretch bands on it. I guess these are for stretching. And then these are sort of bands that you can, you put them on these different hooks. So if you notice, there's a hook, and then there's another hook, level 6, level 4, and level 2. If you put these on those hooks, you can do all kinds of crazy exercises with them, like all kinds of stretches and lat pull downs and stuff. And it all works through here. So this is the in-room training book you get. So here it is with all kinds of different workouts. You get a warm-up, you get strength workout, core workout, upper body workout, lower body workout, and stretches. I did the warm-up, the strength, the core, the upper body, and the stretches. So they give you kind of description of how to do them. And there's one with the ball. And then I'll show you one with the little, let's see if I can find one with the, here we go. This will have there you go. See, there's the little bar, how you use the bar. Pretty cool. All right, so that's the workout part. Now I thought to myself, well, gosh, I'd love to have that book at home. But over here, you get the in-room things. It tells you if you take one of these things out of the room, you're gonna be charged. Oh, it's a stediball. Stediball, foam roller, yoga block, yoga mat, super band, tube, wipes. Oh, they even charge you for the wipes. Wow. And the in-room training guide is $150. You don't want to steal that stuff. All right. So this is another cool feature that I thought was really great. Look at this. I've never seen kind of the Philips Hue lights in a hotel room. So watch this above the bed. You see that? You can turn them on or off, and then you can also adjust the color. So I thought that was really, really cool. And if you want to have a little disco in your room, you can do that, which I thought was great. And I guess this is some more of a slow burn there. And you can make them brighter, or you can adjust them so they're not so bright. And I was really digging kind of like the blue and the red at night. So that is really cool. I love the fact that they have those color changing lights. And by the way, I just think this is really cool. You guys recommended the hotel, so I'm just giving you the grand tour. I love hotel rooms, and I especially like cheaper hotel rooms that offer a lot of stuff. You go to a 5-star hotel, they don't have all this fun, cool stuff in there. these little hotels that are sort of the mid-range for the business traveler have all this fun stuff. So this was really cool for the desk. I love those little LED lights they have under there. This little plant that was on my desk. Look at this. I always leave a tip for the housekeeper, and this is the first time I've ever gotten a note back. I always say thank you on the note and leave a little tip. She wrote back, thank you, be well, housekeeping. And then she also had a welcome note. A whiteboard too. Look at that. So I can write on here, Rich on hotels. Over here, coffee maker. This is very polarizing. So I don't know if you use the coffee maker in your room. I'm kind of torn on the coffee maker in the room. I love having that first cup of coffee when I wake up. But the number one thing I have to do when I see the coffee maker is I have to check out this part right here. I look in here and I see where the water goes. If that looks clean, which this one does, I will dump in my water and make some coffee. If it does not look clean, I'm not using that because no way. I like the little selection. You've got a little, oh, I totally forgot to drink this. I bought one of these drinks. Oh, Body Armor. I'm gonna try this. It's like a Gatorade kind of thing. I totally put that in the fridge and I forgot about it. Okay, so there you have it for the most part. That's the room, but let me just show you these things. I love this. This is the second trip I've ever packed using these packing cubes. They're like these little cubes that you put your clothes in and then you zip them up. So you see that? And then you stack them up on top of each other and you put them in your bag. And I just love these things. I'm obsessed with them now. I'll never travel without them. I don't know why I like them. It's kind of like putting your clothes in a drawer and then putting them in your suitcase. And I bought them on Amazon, I think it was a 3 or 4 pack for like $25. Oh, by the way, one more workout thing for you. This is part of the workout too, these little squares you can use for the various exercises. One other cool thing, they will actually wash your gym clothes for you on a daily basis. So if you just drop your gym clothes off at the front desk, put them in this little dirty clothes bag, and they're in by 9, they'll be back in your room by 5 p.m. or ready for pickup, I should say. So that's really cool. It doesn't cost you anything. Bathroom, this is my favorite feature out of all hotels, is when they don't waste the shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. You use a tiny little bit and then they have to throw out the whole bottle. That's stupid. This is smart. So they've got all these different things here that you can just use one time. Let me show you. Refreshing shampoo, soothing conditioner, calming shower gel, and energizing. So how neat is that? They have 2 different types of shower gels, one for a night shower, one for a morning shower. One's calming, one's energizing. This whole hotel has that theme of kind of like, you know, your best self, living your best life. The only thing I didn't like is these are not, they're like not tuned properly. See how they, now I'm wasting, you guys are gonna yell at me for wasting, but see how they, okay, you know what, I think maybe she just filled them up. Okay, never mind. They weren't squeezing out as fast as I wanted them to earlier. Anyway, one thing I could not figure out was the shower. I had no idea how to make this hot or cold. So I pushed it up. I have no idea. Is this cold? Is this hot? Like, I don't really get it. I guess it's just one switch for everything. That was a little confusing. It's been a while since I haven't been able to figure out a shower at hotel room. Oh, one more light. So underneath the bed, look at this. Look at that. Uh-oh, there it is. There it is. Anyway, there you have it. My look at the Even Hotel in New York City. This is the Even Hotel New York Midtown East. Even Hotel Midtown East. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of a hotel room like this. Would you feel guilty sleeping in a hotel room like this because you feel like you have to work out? Or would you feel like it's kind of cool? And would you use that coffee maker? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, you learned something, share it and give it that old thumbs up. Otherwise, let me just show you real quick where these hotels are so you know. This is, let's see, Even Hotels. They've got 3 in New York, 1 in Maryland, 1 in Connecticut, 1 in Nebraska, and coming soon, Pittsburgh, Eugene, Seattle, Houston, and Miami. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'm Rich DeMuro, richontech.tv, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.